Shall we begin? Too easy.
Hey, what is up everyone? It's so good to be back again. It's been a month or two that I was off from YouTube. I apologize for that long break, but I also needed to. Since the last upload, I had to accept some graphic design job, and in that meantime, I also did my first animation commission. So those stuff keep me really busy, but during that time I noticed a lot of support on my channel, and thanks to you guys, we succeed to reach 1k subs. Thank you so much. So much. I love you. So let's move on to the video. As you probably seen on my social media, I started this work months ago. The purpose of this work was to refine my grease pencil process by using the 3D as a complement. I was sure that combination will allow me to stop thinking about proportions and movements, so my first step was to define this sequence as a 3D. Then, after blocking this part, I applied a shader that surrounds the 3D model with a line art. At this stage, all we have to do is to trace over. Of course, there's a lot of tasks to get there, but I'm pretty sure it's a gain of time as well to have a solid reference to follow. For the rest of the animation, my process remained the same: tracing and coloring. The new things that are added here are probably the VFX and the background. To be honest, I spent most of my time on it, trying to understand a bunch of options, but I finally got at the end something decent and cool. Personally, even if this sequence took me a while to finish, it gave me so much keys to improve my skills, and I really think this could be a help into your own journey. So just let me know what you think, and I will be down to give you some tutorials. Thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you soon. Hopefully next week. Peace.
Shall we begin? Too easy.